What we are watching now is a VR panorama of the Masung Industrial Park, which covers an area of 40,000 square meters and has multiple different printer production workshops. The core team of Masung Group is composed of senior engineers and multiple professional employees. With profound professional accumulation and forward-looking innovative spirit, it has become a strong engine for the company's development. The team has always focused on technological breakthroughs and cutting-edge exploration, successfully transforming various outstanding achievements into numerous invention patents through a systematic research and development system and rigorous scientific attitude, building a solid technical foundation. Each patent and honor embodies the crystallization of the team's wisdom, demonstrating its sustained innovation strength and industry-leading position. At Masung Industrial Park, we have built a sheet metal workshop that serves as a cornerstone of modern manufacturing. Integrating high-power laser cutting, multi-axis CNC stamping, and precision bending centers, we process carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum alloy with high speed and accuracy. We respond quickly to diverse needs from complex R&D samples to urgent orders, providing strong support to accelerate product development from drawing to finished good. This approach brings clear cost and quality advantages. Through intelligent production scheduling and optimized nesting, we significantly improve material utilization. Standardized processes and strict quality control ensure every product is sturdy, reliable, and consistent. Choosing Masung's sheet metal services means gaining a full solution that shortens production cycles, lowers costs, and boosts product competitiveness. Let us be your most reliable manufacturing partner to perfectly realize your vision. Our professional production and assembly workshop for thermal transfer printers is your reliable answer to complex printing challenges. Compared to thermal technology, we are also deeply rooted in thermal transfer printing and have unique advantages. The core of the workshop focuses on precise calibration of print head pressure and temperature control, ensuring perfect cooperation with various carbon ribbons. This endows the printer with excellent adaptability in synthesizing PET or PVC labels. We produce durable labels that are wear-resistant, scratch-resistant, and resistant to chemical corrosion on a variety of materials. We integrate precision assembly, independent testing, and research aging testing to ensure that every device, from the core mechanical structure to the electrical control system, is sturdy and durable. Here, every device that leaves the factory has undergone almost rigorous simulation testing, just to fulfill a promise that your product label will be as clear, stable, and trustworthy as its debut in any environment. Choosing Masung and giving it a time-tested ID card is for your product.